In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your free Wix website URL. If you are using a free Wix site and you want to update the web address to something that fits your brand a little better, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. Just keep in mind that changing the site address affects how people find your website. So it's a good idea to double-check the spelling before you save anything. To get started, go to your site's Wix dashboard. This is the main control area where you manage your website settings, content, and overall setup. Once you are there, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings. This section is where Wix stores the main options for your site, including details related to your website address. After that, click on Website Settings. This will open the area where you can manage important site information. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the right place, because this is where you'll find the current address for your free Wix website. Next, find the section labeled Site Address. Under this area, type in your new URL. When choosing your new address, try to make it simple, clear, and easy to remember. It should match your website name or business name as closely as possible. Also, be careful with spelling, extra characters, or unnecessary numbers, since a cleaner URL is usually easier for visitors to type and recognize. Once you've entered the new URL, click Save. This updates the address in your Wix settings. However, here is one more important step. To make the change live on your actual website, you need to click Publish in the editor. Saving the setting alone is not enough if you want visitors to see the updated URL right away. Publishing pushes the change to your live site so the new address becomes active. After publishing, it's a good idea to test the updated URL in your browser to confirm everything is working correctly. If the address is available and the change has been applied successfully, your free Wix site will now be using the new web address you selected. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.